Hey, welcome everybody to the 40 Finance channel. My name's Jeff Beers. Today I'm going to look at the stocks that I have been buying and selling here in July. This is a new idea that I just had, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Goal here, of course, is just to give you an overview of how I think about things when I'm trading stocks, whether I'm buying or selling. As always, my stock picks and projections are just my opinion only. Please talk to a financial professional before investing in the stock market. And if you do enjoy videos like this and discussions about stock analysis, personal finance videos, etc., then please subscribe to the 40 Finance channel. Thank you to everyone who's signed on so far. All right, so stock number one that I bought the most of this month was Visa. And if you've heard me on the channel before, I talk about Visa quite a bit. I am super familiar with this stock. I've been studying it for a long time, and I really liked where the price was at this month, at least in comparison to the rest of the market. So taking a look here at Visa, this is a 1 month chart off to your right to give you some idea of the ups and downs that I was following during the month. And you see I bought at 194, 190, and 189. So I'm not sure if I got the absolute low for the month, but I was certainly in the neighborhood at 189 and 190. And my current cost basis of Visa is 190.25, which I feel pretty good about for this stock. You can see that the 52-week range on Visa was between 133 and 214. So I think the high of 214 is something that we will definitely see again this year. So I'm happy to get it and keep my cost basis trending around 190.25. All right, so now let's look at the TipRanks dashboard to get a feel for how analysts think Visa is trending right now over the next 12 months. And it looks like we've got 14 buys, 2 holds, median price target of 210.93. That's a 9% upside from today. And we've got a high analyst of 247 and a low of 188. So right off the bat, my cost basis, if you put all your stock into these analysts, right, my cost basis is at the low side of the analysts, and the highs go all the way up to 247. I'm not trading Visa every day. This is something I will likely hold on to for at least a couple years, if not much longer. So I'm glad to add shares at this price point. All right, next stock on the board is DraftKings. And this is one of my few Robinhood plays, if you will. I don't trade on Robinhood, but DraftKings is sort of known as a Robinhood stock. I'm super familiar with the service. I've been playing on DraftKings for several years now. So I was excited when this IPO came out. And frankly, I waited way too long to jump in. I was trying to see how that stock would sort of matriculate. It came out in and around $12 to $15. And then it kept having these high days. And finally, one day I just got tired of it. And I think I bought in right around $40 or $39. So that ended up being the peak. Nobody can stop a peak run like I can. So as soon as I bought in, it stabilized. It's worked its way down. Let's see where we're at right now. All right, stock price today at $35.71. You see the 1 month chart here. And this 1 month chart, by the way, spans into June. This isn't just, I know this is a July video I'm doing, but it spans into June. You can see to the far left where I got in, which is basically the peak, and it's trended down throughout the month, reaching all the way into the high 20s. I bought at $29.85 and $32.70. In those two moves alone, were able to bring my average cost basis down to $34.80. So now I sit under 35. Stock was trading above 35 today. And I really like the volatility and the sort of Robinhood appeal of this stock. Again, it's not one of my normal fundamental plays. But just like DraftKings, the platform, it's been sort of a fun one to bet on. All right, looking at the TipRanks dashboard for DraftKings, we have 9 buys, no holds, median price target of 47.63, which is up about 30% from where we stand today. High bar of 60, low bar of 25. The opinions on DraftKings are all over the ice. It's very hard. You basically have to make your own decision, right? Do you believe DraftKings is the future of mobile betting, the iGaming, which is basically those mobile like roulette games and blackjack? I've used enough of their daily fantasy technology to feel pretty good about what they're doing there. And as far as I'm concerned, they definitely are going to be a player in the mobile gambling gaming space. I don't know how long it's going to take. It could be 2 or 3 years to turn profitable. But we know that states, not all the states are online yet as far as online gambling. In fact, most of them aren't. And we know that DraftKings has seen some pretty good success in New Jersey. So I'm cool at being at $35 mark on this one. I think it gets definitely into the $50 range if and when sports are confirmed to come back. All right, next stock on the board is TJX Companies. And I've been in TJX for a couple years now. And it's always one that I try to pick up in and around my cost basis or below. Obviously, with the pandemic, I've had a lot of opportunity to get into TJX. It's not the kind of thing where I'll pile all my money in. I'll just keep picking at shares, 5, 10, 20 shares at a time as it is trading below my cost basis. And I'm really excited about the future for this company too. Just thinking about the retail apocalypse and what's going forward. TJX, Ross Stores, Dollar General, like these are the survivor ones, man. These are the ones that are on rock solid foundations. And from a fashion standpoint anyway, TJX stands to benefit from all the mall operators or mall stores that are probably going to be closing over the next couple years. And don't forget that TJX has TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, and they still have international growth that hasn't even really started to come alive yet. All right, looking at the stock price today at $53.51. The 52-week range on TJX is $64.95 all the way down to $32.72. I bought one slot at $50.50. That actually raised my cost basis a little bit, but you can see the ebbs and flows of this month. I liked the opportunity and I wanted to get more. And so my cost basis of $48.08 still runs profitable on where TJX is today. And I expect this stock to, trade into the low 60s, high 50s, all the way throughout the year. All right, on the tip rank side of the coin for TJX, we have 7 buys, no holds, median price target of $62.86 over the next 12 months. We have a high analyst of 68 and a low of 60. TJX doesn't trade wild swings very much. It's a pretty boring stock, so to speak. But when things get back going here, which could be third, fourth quarter, maybe not even until next year, depending on what happens in this health crisis, they will resume a dividend, which is great. And slowly but surely this stock goes up over time. So if you're looking for an alternative retail play, it's a great one to look into. All right, now we're going to take a look at the only stock that I sold in the month of July here. There's still a little time left, but this is the only one that I'm likely to sell, and it's already gone. And that is Turtle Beach, ticker symbol here. I've done 3 or 4 videos about this company over the past couple years, and the number one reason I sold is because I've been holding it forever. And it finally started to get a boost from a volume standpoint. So I decided to take the opportunity. I kind of think the market may have a few more dips left in it, and I'm trying to build up some cash position in case we do see better opportunities in the future. All right, on the Turtle Beach side, the current stock price is $17.22. you can see that I sold at 17.09. I think it actually got above 18 a day or two after I sold it, which is fine. Most people targeted around $18 to $20. I got out early, so to speak, because I just wanted to lock in the gains. My cost basis was $10.57. So, very happy with that number, and the profit that I got from Turtle Beach will go into investments that I make, not only for the rest of the year, but ideally on dip opportunities to pick up companies with a bright future, just like I did with Turtle Beach a couple years ago. All right, on the tip rank side of things for Turtle Beach, we have 4 buys, 1 hold, median price target of $19.20. And most people, if you look around the internet at Turtle Beach price targets, they're really close to $20, almost all of them. So there's probably still some room to run in this stock. If you do decide to get in, I would recommend like a price target of around 15 just to guarantee you some upside. And then if you want to hold it, we have new video game consoles coming out in Q4. That could be a substantial boost to Turtle Beach. I think the future is good for this company. It was just time for me, after holding for so long, to just get out and put that money towards something new. All right, guys, so there you have it. The stocks I'm buying and selling here in July 2020. This was a new sort of test format. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a like and subscribe if you did. We'll see you on the next video.